Rise above, mastering the art of perseverance in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as inspiring as it is useful in the English language. Rise above. This phrase is not just about physical elevation. It's a metaphor for personal excellence and overcoming challenges. So, if you've been facing difficulties in learning English or any other area of your life, this video will not only expand your vocabulary but also inspire you to rise above those challenges. Let's dive in. The phrase, rise above, can be broken into two words that are simple yet profound when put together. Rise means to move upward or to become higher, and above refers to a place that is higher than a particular point. When combined, these words take on a metaphorical meaning: to overcome difficulties or not allow bad experiences to affect you. For example, she rose above the petty gossip of her colleagues and focused on her work. Despite the tough competition, he rose above and won the award. In each case, the individuals didn't let negative circumstances hold them down. Instead, they surpassed them. Now, let's look at how to use rise above in everyday sentences. It's important to know the context where it's appropriate to use this phrase. Generally, you can use it when talking about dealing with adversities or negative situations. You need to rise above your fear of speaking English. He decided to rise above the criticism and improve his skills. Remember, the phrase often implies a struggle or some form of adversity that is being overcome. There are variations in how the phrase can be utilized, depending on the subject matter or the structure of the sentence. Here are a few. The team needs to rise above if they want to win the championship. To rise above our limitations, we must first acknowledge them. In these sentences, rise above is used as a directive and as part of a suggestion or piece of advice, highlighting its versatility. Let's practice with some interactive scenarios. Imagine you're faced with a difficult coworker or a challenging project. How would you use rise above in this situation? I'll give you a moment to think about it. Great. Now, here are some examples you might come up with. I won't let his negativity affect me. I'll just rise above. This project is really testing my skills, but I'm determined to rise above. Practicing with these scenarios can help solidify your understanding and use of the phrase in real-life situations. And that wraps up our lesson on rise above. I hope this video not only clarifies the meaning and use of the phrase but also encourages you to always aim high and not be weighed down by challenges. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find it easier to rise above any obstacle in your path to English proficiency and beyond. Thank you for watching, and remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. See you in the next video.